Dear students, in this part we have to discuss about the significant figures in the measured quantity, and we have to learn how to find out the number of significant figures or digits in a measured physical quantity. So before going through definition of significant figures, first we have to consider an example. Or my definition is like the example say for example, let us consider measured value of a physical quantity. Say the length of a metal rod, say 5.376 meter. And of course, there is a number that is length of a stick agera or a metal rod agera, called the 5.376 meter weight. So generally, the last digit, see, upon the digit I 6 say, see, last digit say uncertain digit when low. Uncertain havadi not the accurate value, accurate digit when the when the subsada coming for nataba ID approximation high tara to uncertain digit I uncertain digit last digit for any number. Aduga remaining digits in this particular example 5, 3 and 7. So the digit 5, 3, 7 is accurate digit or reliable digit. I the same summation lower digit after this the digit 5 ne 3 ne 7 ne makoi ahum jina koina haidu is reliable digit ID certainty do where about the reliable digits ID accurate where about yam fazana sumena khanga ba digit latani sida 537 na aduga aroi bigi digits na uncertain digit kawi aduna in this particular number there is 5.376 meter. We can say that there are 4 significant figures or digits saiganeba. Sigi number is the significant figure mari lay natagana significant digits mari lay na 5 ay aduna significant figures or digits sai tadi karino bu asagi the digits which are known accurately, that is reliable digits aduga plus 1 uncertain digit asumba digit kharaga aduga uncertain digit amaga yawba number do aduda yariba figures in dunia koina significant figures I do is and sigi example is the reliable digits I da koina accurate or digit hai tare tasing na sumena khallaba digit ahum yawre 537 aduga uncertain digit I accurate or the digit ama yawani adu ai tare sida digit mari ja koina 4 significant figures or 4 digits saigani. And the last digit is uncertain, or you know, have an example of PGF. Say, same example is the 4 digit later 5376. Then, if you want to put the number having 3 digits, digit last digit 6 say terminate terminate. I love talk about rounding of digits to high. Out the 6 love talk of higher numbers again. And terminate the digit say 5 thing in the sorrow. Adu tadi magi mamang the label digit presiding digit say ama increase or say in this particular example, suppose if you want to terminate, that is round of this digit 6, then we may write 5.38 equal. See the label digit 7 say 8 la neba. Madam the point of digit 6 say 5 thing in the sorrow. Mamang the label digit say ama increase or aduna. In this number, that is 5.38, we can say that there are 3 significant figures. And again, in this number, the last digit is uncertain digit. Always begin digit 8 uncertain digit kawani, the accurate or the approximation the option give. Aduga remaining 2 digits singje, the 5 and 3 digits na reliable digits kawani. Aduna any number among the digits singje reliable digits ka uncertain digit amaga oina logani and high digits in jakoina kari kawibu significant digits or significant figures kawi. So significant figures may be defined like this: those digits in a measured value which are known with certainty or reliably plus one uncertain digit are called significant figures or significant digits. And akoina harise ko sagi number ama leire number to the yauriba certainty oiba haidi accurate oiba digit mayam duga aduga uncertain oiba digit amaga yauriba digit mayam du koina significant figures kawi. Say for example, let us consider a number 3.274. Here the digits 3, 2 and 7, let's say 3, 2, 7, that is first three digits are taken as reliable digits, i.e. accurate digit latani, whereas the last digit 4, last digit 4 is uncertain digit. So 3.274 has 4 significant figures. And the second number is the reliable digit ahum 3 yaure aduga uncertain digit ama yaure aduna punna significant figures mari lay haigani ba 4 significant figures sigi numbers da lay na koina haigani. So we can say like this: larger is the number of significant figures in a measurement, higher is accuracy of measurement and vice versa. Aida koina physical quantity ma measure tong matam da fangiba masagi value du da yauriba significant figures yamingai masagi akoina fangiba value measure value do magi true value ga yamna naksanaba haidi accuracy oiba oigani haibani aduga significant figures yamdragadi magi true value du dagi naksanba oidaba haidi less accuracy oiganeba aduna significant figure yamingai akoina measure value amagi significant figure yamingai hena my value do assume by the accurate oiganeba magi asengba true or actual value du da hena naksanba oigani. So next we have to learn how to find out the number of significant figures or significant digits in a given number. That is, we have to try to find out rules for finding the number of significant figures. So the first one is, that is the first rule is, all non-zero digits are significant. Any number of the non-zero digits significant figures in the lower level. So for example, 2.46, it may be decimal point or not. Decimal yawida yawida ko. Sida lay riba masing 2 ne, 4 ne, 6 ne. Digit ahum ni, digit sing 0 ambata na tre, aduna 0 bunatra di non-zero digit oitar di na significant figure in the count awuni. Aduna in this number we can say like this: 2.46 has 3 significant figures. That is digit ahum ne bise. 2, 4, 3 ne bise maze 3 significant figures la yada haira ne buko. Aduna 0 bunatra di number meamje significant figure oina na count awuni. And second rule, Roman number 2, all zeros occurring between two non-zero digits are significant. That is, the zeros lying in between two non-zero digits in a given number are considered as significant. Akoy na number ama lere, number 2 the yauriba sagi 0 khudimakse non-zero digit ani gi marakta leramaba. Adu itardi significant figure in lawone. For example, 4007. See the 0 ani lay, and these two zeros lies in between non-zero digits, that is 4 and 7. 4, 7 haiba 0 nataba digit anigi markta leiba 0 singze akoina significant figure in lawo ne aduna sida leize digit mari sure 4 ne 0 ani ne 7 ne aduna 4007 has 4 significant figures. 4 significant figures adi digit mari sure hani ko digit mari je akoina sida leiba 0 ani je significant figure in the count away. And next point number 3, if the number is less than 1, then all zeros to the left of first non-zero digit are not significant. Number is less than 1 wherever I decimal point yargadi first non-zero digit to gi left side ta leba oina rom da leba zero sing do hoy significant figure oina count tawrai. For example, say 0.0052 sidra liba number je less than 1 0.0052 aduga last first non-zero digit hargadi sigi 5 so duni ko 2 jina last non-zero digit kawe aduna ahan bagi non-zero digit to gi left ta leba oina rom da sigi zero sing je ko sigi zero sing se significant figure oi weba are not significant aduna sigi number is the significant figure kya lei hai tardi 2 hara neba, that is non-zero digit 5 and 2 aduna 0.0052 has two significant figures I can name aduna apoina number is less than 1 wherever adu itardi first non-zero digit to gi left side level 0 sing do significant figure in the counter right. Point number 4, if the number is less than 1 then all zeros to the right of last non-zero digit are significant. Also see point number 4 the highest na sagi less than 1 wherever number je aduga last non-zero digit to gi right side level 0 sing se significant figure oini. For example 0.00520 sigi number ji da 0 mayam laire 30 na sagi first non-zero digit ki left side da sigi rule number 3 matung ina sigi 30 ji significant figure where right aduga last zero ji significant figure when count down maram di kaino sigi last zero je sigi last non-zero digit 2 ji right side lay aduna sida in this number we can say that there are 3 significant figures ahum lay na hai ni kai kari 5 ne 2 ne 0 ne sigi digit ahum je koina significant figure ni hai na count tawrani aduna number je less than 1 wheraba ai decimal point yaraba aduga last non-zero digit to gi right side level yet from the level tare ko right side level do significant figure oin lorni. Point number 5, all zeros to the right of last non-zero digit are not significant if the number has no decimal point. Kariguma number je decimal point yarom drabo adu itardi last non-zero digit to gi right side level 0 khudimak se muk significant figure oi weba. Say sigi example is the 2400 sigi number is the decimal point yaudre aduna sagi right side level 0 ani je to the right side of last non-zero digit I 34 is na non-zero digit ki iroi be bo duini and sigi last non-zero digit sigi right side level 0 khudimak se significant figure oiroi maram di karigino sigi number si da decimal point yaw dem aduna 2400 has two significant figure 2 ga 4 ga dama koina significant figure lorani sigi 0 ani je significant figure oiroi. Next point number 6, all zeros to the right of last non-zero digit even without decimal point are significant if come from a measurement. Akoina lawriba phangiba value do measurement ro phangba haidi unit yaw magadi haibani meter wagera kilogram wagera second wagera hour wagera any unit ama yaw maba number du da ko measurement adi on laga phangba number ai di measurement unit yaw tu ni and unit yaw magadi saiki decimal point later su without decimal point all zeros to the right side of the last non-zero digit say significant oine sigi number is the 3400 sigi number is the decimal point yaudre aduna sagi sigi meter yaubani na sigi 0 ani je last non-zero digit 4 gi matung level 0 ani je significant figure oine ba kariguma si meter yaudra already sigi 0 ani je significant figure oine count tawai id two significant figure la yana high but in this case the number is obtained from measurement, that is it has its unit. My unit yawi meter is aduna 3400 meter has 4 significant figure high level 0 and 0 significant figure in the count already. And point number 7, the exponential functions or exponential or powers of 10 are not significant. For example 3.40 into 10 to the power 2 sida power of 10 je 10 to the power 2 je akoina significant figure in the count tawroi sida le riba 3.40 je yango aduna 3.40 je significant figure ahum lei sigi 0 je significant figure ni maramdi it lies to the right side of the last non-zero digit 4 and after the decimal point aduna si je 3 significant figure lei na akoina higher name. So these are the important rules for finding out the number of significant figures or significant digits in a given number.